welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will be doing a popular lunch from supermarkets in the UK called the meal deal. So stay tuned to see the end result of my fun meal deal. For my yummy and fun meal deal, you will need 2 slices of bread, some shredded lettuce, a few slices of ham, a few slices of cheese, 1 tomato sliced, a packet of crisps or Pringles like I'm using, 1 soft drink, and some butter. Meal deals are a popular lunch for many people in the UK. So let's get started. Step 1. Make the sandwich. First, spread some butter onto your bread. Then place the lettuce, ham, cheese, and tomato on the bread. Did you know that meal deals were invented back in 1985? Step 2. Now cut the sandwich in half and package it in a plastic food container or sandwich container. Step 3. Place all your meal deal items together. All done! A quick, easy and yummy lunch. Well, that's it. Now I have a delicious meal deal to enjoy. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome recipes with me. See you all next time. Goodbye.